Hi, I'm Bill Summit with DMJ Technologies, and today we are here representing the Evoko line of products. We have a couple products here. We have the Room Manager, and then beside it is a little companion piece, the Minto, which is a wireless conferencing phone. The Room Manager is a room scheduling device that the glory of it is that it is able to be basically a client onto your existing mail server. So typically for this demonstration, we will call that Outlook. So once you have Outlook set up, you create an account for this like you would any new employee. You create it as a resource, and now you can book this device, or more specifically, the room that it is in front of. You can book this from your Outlook calendar like you would any other resource. And so real quickly, in this category, we call this the New York room. Going left to right across the top, we show that it has capability of 5 people, and then the little icons represent the type of technology that is in that room. Now I'm coming up and I want to make sure that I'm going to the correct room. I have the meeting information here. It starts at 12:05. Ronnie Wilson is the meeting scheduler, and that we're going to go over the Q3 sales projections, and that meeting will actually start in 1 minute. So I know I'm in the correct room and I'm ready to go. Now I want to make sure that this meeting actually takes place, and so I'm going to confirm that this meeting is actually happening. If that meeting got canceled, didn't get taken off your Outlook calendar, and nobody hit the confirm button, then it will go back in as being an open room. Now the meeting is going to begin in less than a minute, and when that does, you will quickly see that it goes from green being available to red. One quick thing before that happens, we can go in and say we're planning on using the projector, but the projector's not working. So we can go in and report a problem, hit send. That comes up as red, and now if somebody wanting to use this room will know that the projector's not working, and it also sends an email out to whoever you designate as the service technician to come and take care of that issue. Now the meeting has began, and it becomes red. Now, Blaine, if you want to step back, not only is this front lit, but it is also backlit. So as you're walking down a hallway, you can see a series of 8, 10 conference rooms, however many you have in the hallway, and at an immediate glance, you can see how many are available and how many of them are being used. We're going to fast forward now, pretend that we're getting near the end of this meeting, and we want to end it early. And we press the front of it, maybe a little harder. And we want to end the meeting or extend the meeting, whichever the case may be. If we extend it, it will only let us extend it as long as till the next meeting takes place. In this case, we're going to go ahead and end it because the Q3 sales were phenomenal, and we don't have to beat up our salespeople any longer, so we're going to end it. It will ask us to confirm, which we will. Boom, the room is now available, and it now talks back to your Outlook calendar, and so anybody that's wanting to schedule this room now, it's available to be scheduled. Now, Blaine and I are wanting to walk in this room and have a really quick impromptu meeting. It's going to take 10 or 15 minutes. We can also schedule this room instantly right in front of the room, and so we're going to book an instant meeting, and it's not going to last very long, but we'll give ourselves an hour, and again, it shows up as being a occupied room. It tells Outlook that this room is now unavailable, and this instance we have it military time until 1300 hours, and it was booked on the screen, so no other information is available on that. But since we have it for an hour, it will end in approximately 54 minutes. And that, in a nutshell, is the Room Manager product. Beside this, we have the Evoko Minto, which is a wireless conferencing phone that can connect primarily via Bluetooth of any smartphone. So there's no wires, there's no external microphones, there's no phone jacks you have to worry about. We're going to turn it on because it's not on, and we're not probably going to be able to show the full demonstration capabilities because we're not going to be able to make a call in the harsh environment that we're in today in a show floor. But a couple things to keep in mind: this has 4 directional microphones within this unit, and so this microphone is probably picking me up, and the other 3 aren't sitting there idle. They're going out and they're doing a sampling of the room, and in audio conferencing realm we call that echo cancellation. And so if there's a lot of ambient noise, HVAC, whatever the case may be, it will recognize that as being a constant noise in the background that it can eliminate and it can ignore, and it will only focus on the people that's actually in the process of the phone call. It has about a 15-foot either way sweet spot on this, so a nice 10 by 15 by 30-foot conference room normally can hold 20 people. It does a nice job of doing the audio conferencing on it. Quite a bit of fidelity involved with the sound quality of this, so people at the other end can hear it. So the guy standing 10 feet away from me can hear it as good as me standing right beside it. It's got an 8-hour battery on a full battery charge, talk time on it. So that's going to take you through the course of most of the day. Any questions on this, please see evoko.us, and you can get full spec sheets there.